Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to reset color swatches to their default settings in the Sketchbook app. If you have ever customized your color palette and want to start fresh, first open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Once you are in Preferences, scroll down until you see Reset Color Swatches. Click on this option to begin restoring the default color palette. Finally, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. To complete the reset process, click on OK. After doing this, your color swatches will return to their original default settings, giving you a fresh palette to work with in your artwork. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.